I have a JAMB math question here. It says if we have this is no basis, okay? So what you have K12 in parentheses base 6 times 3 in base 6 equal to 3 in base 5 in parentheses K times 4 in base 5. What is the value of K? Okay, in this case, what you do is just convert everything to base 10. All right, I hope you remember how to convert to base 10. So this will be 0, 1, this will be 0, this will be 0, 1, and this will be 0. So this now will be K times 6, this is base 6, so it will be 6 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 0. Okay, all in parentheses times, this is times 3 times 6 raised to power 0. Okay, equal to, let's just equate it here quickly, equal to this guy, that's 3 times 5 raised to power 0, then in parentheses K times 5 raised to power 1, then plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0, close the parenthesis. So let's resolve this. So this is K times 6 raised to power 1, that will be 6K plus, this 6 raised to power 0 is 1, so 1 times 2 is 2, so it's still 2, in parenthesis. This is 6 raised to power 1, 0, so which is 1, and times this is 3, so that will be 3 equal to, this is 1, so 3 times 1, that's 3, in parenthesis. This is 5 raised to power 1 times K, that will be 5K. Then this is 1, and 4 times 1 is what? 4. Okay, so let's open the parenthesis. So 3 times this is what? We're going to have 18K plus 3 times this is 6 equal to this times this is 15K, and this times this plus 12K. Take like terms, take this guy here, take this guy here. Remember in math, when you're crossing, the sign changes. So 15K becomes negative. So we have 18K minus 15K equal to, this is a positive 12. Take this positive to this side, it becomes negative 6. So this minus this, sorry, is 3K. And what is 16 minus 6? That is 6. So we divide both sides by 3, divide by 3, so we can get our K. This 3 cancels this 3. K is what? 6 divided by 3 is what? 2. So K is 2. So our answer here is option B. So when you see this kind of question, don't just run away. When you just see the K, you just see everything, you are just confused. It's very simple. Don't run away from it. It's very simple. Just convert everything to base 10, okay, and solve. You can see how straightforward and easy this is. All right, so thank you, and don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice more. You can download it on your Google Play Store. If you want to download on your laptops, the links are in the video description box or my profile bio. You'll see the links to download, or you can contact me on WhatsApp. You see my WhatsApp details. You can contact me. Download your authentic past questions with solutions all the way from 1992 to date. Okay, for your science, your art, your commercial subjects. All those, your geography, Igbo, everything, all the subjects are in the DTW JAMB CBT app. Get it today. All right, to practice, to prepare for your exam. Please don't go into your hall without practicing with a CBT-based interface. Okay? All right, so if you're interested in joining our online JAMB online tutorials, please do contact us. You'll see details in the video description box of this video. Okay, so finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please to give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead us to heaven at last. Okay, and give us that heaven here on earth, peace and blessings. Okay, come on to Him today. All right, so finally, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win in your forthcoming JAMB 2024 examination and also in life. Thank you.